Well, Parc Mewn itself is it's a 100-acre business park, and it's in a beautiful setting, half a mile from the centre of Bangor and 20 minutes from the mountains of Snowdonia and minutes away from the lovely Menai Strait. There are literally hundreds of jobs that could be created here or will be created here in the next few years. There are a number of high-tech, mainly IT companies in Parc Menai, each in different areas of digital technology, and they're growing, fast-growing, and they were very well resourced jobs or well-paid jobs. The challenges at the moment are finding the right skills for these companies, because these companies are very successful in their own fields and they're growing very, very quickly.
We are based in Bangor and we do like to recruit from the local areas, so we try and look for talent and clever people that can work for us just from Bangor and Gwynedd, and really we don't want to look outside of the area. We do have people that travel in, but at the moment we are trying to recruit from around here.
It's one of the issues since I've been involved here that we've challenged, if you like, the government, and we've challenged local education authorities to make sure we have local people who are available, because there's loads of opportunities, and I'm really pleased that your team has stepped up and actually made this happen. They've listened, and companies like ours are participating actively in giving these opportunities, because it is very much about making the guys aware that these roles are here.
O'n i'n gwybod bod Parc Menai yma a mae yna stadau tebyg ar draws Gogledd Cymru, ond diolch yn tueddu fod yn rhywbeth sy'n gysylltu efo Gogledd Cymru bod yna swyddi yn maes technoleg a felly. O'n i wastad yn meddwl a faswn i'n gorfod mynd i weithio yng Nghaerdydd neu'n Llundain neu'n rhywle fel yna mewn ymchwil neu diwydiant.
Mae yna cyfleoedd yma, jyst bod o ddim yn cael ei roed allan.
Aros yn Gwynedd sy'n ddelfrydol, gallu gweithio i cwmni digon mawr neu digon arian a gallu aros yng nghefn gwlad.
I think it's a great opportunity. I didn't really expect to find it so close. It's just right outside my doorstep, basically, so this is great.
Wel, un o'r rhwystrau mwyaf da ni'n gael fel cwmni ydy, da ni'n cael fatha open days fel un o'r universities yma, da ni'n mynd iddyn nhw. A'r problemau mawr ydy mae'r cwmnïad mawr yma i gyd o Llundain, mae'n Ceinion, wedi fel un, wedi mewn, ac yn cynnig y byd i chdi. A wedyn mae'r students gorau i fel yn mynd, wrth gwrs, i gael yr experience, da iawn iddyn nhw, ond weithiau mae o'n rwystyr i gwmnïau fatha ni, gael y students yma i fewn, cos mae pob yn gadael, ti'n weld. So mae gennym ni lot o swyddi ar gael ar y funud, ond da ni methu llenwi nhw.
Beth sy'n gwybod hwnna?
Pa gyngor sa chi reid sa rhywun bobl ifanc chi yn gadael yr ardal i chwilio am waith yn hytrach na aros yng Ngwynedd chi?
Wel, swn i'n dweud yn y dinasoedd does dim llawer o gyfleoedd i wneud pethau awyr agored yn amlwg, so aros i weld beth sy'n ar gael yn yr ardal yma gyntaf, hwrach. Dwi'n meddwl hefyd y iaith, mae'r iaith Gymraeg yn gryf rhwng ffordd un. Os ydych chi'n siarad Cymraeg, mae'n lle perffaith i aros a gweithio.
I chdi, be di'r atyniad mwyaf i Wynedd, so ti'n dweud?
Wel, i fi, y balans rhwng gwaith ag kind of options arall, cos dwi'n si gael tyfu fyny yn yr ardal, a dwi'n rili hoffi mynd allan awyr agored, mynd ar 20 mynydd neu cerdded yn nofio, a dwi'n allan gwneud hynna i gyd mewn 20 minutes or to dash in the office.
Well, the good thing about working in Gwynedd is everyone's really nice.
Yeah.
You can get on with everyone. Even if you live in a place like me, it's not hard to get here. Car takes about 20 minutes, but
Yeah. Where are you from?
Llandudno.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I live not far from here, about 10-minute drive. In Bethesda. And all you need to do really is take a short drive down there, and you can see why people stay around in Gwynedd.
Yeah.
It's just a pretty beautiful place.
O sicr mae yna fanteision yma, gynnwch chi, mae'n ardal harddwch naturiol dydy, llwyth o bobl wrth i bodda'n dod ar ei gwyliau yma. cymdeithas dda leol felly. Yr iaith yn gyrru yma dydyn, mae hwnnw wedi bod y rhan bwysig, y rhan cymdeithasol a'r rhan yr iaith.
Mae'n braf yn ddi. Gallu dod sydd y gwaith ni.
5 munud.
A wedyn gen ti'n fennau. Be gwell? Be gwell? Be gwell? Mae'n braf yn ddi.